Hello, as president of the University of Toledo, I'm proud to help launch our annual UT charitable campaign, previously known as the United Way campaign. This is a great opportunity for us to show unity for community by supporting 4 local federations that represent more than 200 charities. This year's campaign runs from Wednesday, November 7th through Friday, December 14th. To make a donation, watch for weekly emails that provide you with a link to your pledge form. You can designate your donation to a specific charity, and any amount is appreciated. Please help us show unity for community. Collectively, we can make a huge difference in the lives of others right here in our own region. Thanks for your support, and go Rockets!